Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mind the loudness going on in the background. But today is Sunday. What we're doing is we are going to one of my favorite restaurants ever. It's like a ramen noodle place. It's called Jinya. So I'm gonna start getting ready. So I already have my outfit planned, but now I just gotta like get ready and do my makeup because my outfit is so cute. Basically, if you don't know what Jinya is like this noodle place. I've only been to it once, but it's literally probably one of my favorite things ever. Voila. I'm gonna put on my clothes and then I'm gonna do my skincare. My hands. Literally in my last video, or it's not gonna get posted. Literally, the whole entire video, there was a booger in my nostril. Like, it was one of the main reasons I had to scrap. The main reason I scrapped it, A, because I didn't like it, and B, because there was a booger in my nose. And it was like obviously a booger. I'm trying to get consistent, but like, it's like stuff like that. On top of the fact that my SSD card reader broke, I couldn't even see my footage. I didn't get to see it until it was the day before my upload date. And at that point, I'm rushing and then I'm looking over my footage, right? There's a booger in my nose. I feel like it's making my braids like easily tangled. Before I used this, my braids weren't tangled or weren't getting tangled, but now they're getting tangled. I used this makeup palette for homecoming. I used this pink, I don't know if you can see it. Tell me why. I only put it on one cheek because I had never like worn blush before. Since I didn't use it, only one cheek had blush. It was so bad. I mean, it's not like that noticeable, but in my pictures, it's definitely like, okay, it's not obvious, but they're on my Instagram if you care. But you probably couldn't even tell if I had blush. My sideburn. That's so cute. I'm done. So cute. These are the shoes that I'm wearing with this outfit. They're so cute. I don't know how I found these too. I found them and I was like, oh, I gotta ask for them because they're so cute. Just do it. Oh, I need to do a fit 360. So my shirt from my haul, go to my haul, and these pants from Forever 21, these dunks, and that's my fit. Now, let's go to Jinya. got an egg. We got food. Tastes good though. That was Jinya. That's like probably that's probably number 2, top 2 favorite restaurants. Obviously 54th Street is number 1. I say Jinya's number 2. A good number 2, a strong number 2. I was Jinya. It was really good. Next we're gonna go to Ikea to get some screws for my shelf. I'll see you at the Ikea parking lot. We're at Ikea now. We have to go is back this way. Like some vanity type lights. I want a vanity so bad. The purple. We came here. Now we're going home. We're looking for the soil so far, and then that's pretty much it. So I don't know if I'm gonna put this in the video, you know, it's just some slight, just bonus clip or whatever.